Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Okay, so today I'm going to walk you through making a gnome. Start with the plastic cup and the mop head. And what I was planning to do is, I have my glue gun all ready. I was going to place this up like this. Okay, so this is that part of the mop. I was going to put it in here. And then I was going to glue this part in here, but then I just started to think, why do that? Because it stays perfectly as is. I'm going to continue and decorate it, and I'm just thinking about storage and putting things away after Christmas, and I wouldn't want this to get smushed or anything like that. So just pulling it out and kind of just putting it in a Ziploc bag and stuff, I think it would hold up a lot better. So that's the route I'm going to go. Let me know if you think that's a good idea, if you're kind of thinking the same thing I'm thinking. So let's go ahead and decorate. So we'll go ahead and put this here and kind of fix the hair. And I've seen this both ways, as far as where people take the fabric here and they unravel it, but I think it's super cute this way. So I also bought these socks from the Dollar Tree, so let's go ahead. I'm going to try to see what this looks like using these. Let me go ahead and cut this. Okay, so I'm going to take one of the socks and just kind of open it, and I'm going to place this on top. Just kind of like that. And just kind of arrange it. Let's just go ahead and kind of pull this up a little bit like that. Like kind of fold it up all the way around. Okay. So it's kind of like that. And I got these from Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to use one of these as a nose. Let me find, I'll use this one. Our nose is going to be a little bit more festive. So let's go ahead and put the nose on. Let's actually turn them on its side, just to make sure we position it correctly. And let's do it like right there. Okay, and now we need to put the little ribbon in his stocking, his hat. Okay, so I'm thinking this, and I'm not sure if this is going to be the ribbon that I use, but I wanted to go ahead and let's try it. See what it looks like. It's a little bit shorter. I'm not sure yet how this is going to look. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is glue a bell. So let's just kind of add some glue and just pop it right there. Oh my gosh, guys, that is so cute. I think he turned out really, really cute. What do you guys think? What do you think about the fact that I didn't glue him to the cup? You think that's a good idea, or you think you'll probably glue yours to the cup? Let me know. I just thought it made sense for, putting it away. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.